Hello, this is LurkPlays MC here with another video. Oh, well, I guess turn that down a little. Well, this is an iPhone app. It's like Flappy Bird, but if you switch plays Pokemon, it's called Bird Jesus. And yeah, it's like Flappy Bird. I literally just downloaded it and I was like, this should be perfect. See, and these are the ones that you can use to flap. There's Zapdos, Charizard, Moltres, Articuno, Lugia, and what's his name? You know. Him. Oh, yeah. Dang it, shut up. Oh my god. Yeah, go buy it. I mean, well, it's free. You know, go get it. It's really good. I literally just got it right, like, 2 minutes ago. I was like, oh my god, this app deserves... Damn it! Nope, not Pikachu, but, yeah. Go buy it. And that is me signing out. Goodbye.